Oh, hello. If you want an accurately titled internet video, then you can't go wrong with something called cake farts. Now, you're probably wondering, just what kind of sick individual would seek out cake farts? Well, if the site's stats page is to be believed, hundreds every hour. But what exactly is cake farts? I'll let this talented and flatulent young lady explain.
You know what I like the most?
Please say cake farts, please say cake farts, please say cake farts.
Cake farts.
Yes, cake farts! Oh, no, actually, Gary, we're good. We don't need you for the cake farts bit.
What cake farts bit? There's a cake farts bit? I just fought on cakes willy-nilly.
Please go wait in the car.
Oh, hey, I'm already there.
Well, that's over. Now, unfortunately, sometimes in the Things You Can't Unsee segment, we can't even let you see the things. We actually had to partially censor cake farts so it can be safely broadcast on television. So here you go.
Why do you say, why don't we do it?
Really? My face on there? For reals? She sure is classy. I also fought on a variety of pastries, beignets. Me, I'm just a meat and potatoes fart kind of guy. I don't know.